Ho. What's up, DGens? Welcome back to another Meme Monday. I believe today is Meme Monday number 31. Can you believe it? 31 Meme Mondays. That's ridiculous. It feels like 6 months. Somewhere around 6 months ago now, I've started these Meme Mondays. Congrats for being here. Thank you for joining me on live stream. Appreciate you guys, the regular supporters, as per usual. Appreciate you guys. Anyone new, welcome aboard to my DeFi Live, to my DGen meme calls, and the live stream every Monday, usually 2 p.m. UTC, unless otherwise stated. We have a great one today. Really just going to go through a few walkthroughs on a couple of tools that are really good for taking profits for meme tokens, potentially, of course. Not financial advice and not guaranteed, of course, but potentially to give you a leg up, that's for sure. Now, we are streaming on the free DGen meme calls channel, the free one, linked down in the description below, the YouTube description. We're also streaming on, obviously, YouTube, and we're streaming on X on 2 channels. We're streaming on my DeFi Live, and we're streaming also on DGen meme calls. So they're all linked in the description below. So choose your poison wherever you want to watch this live stream. There are 4 streams available, which is pretty cool. So the best one probably is obviously YouTube, but if you want to participate also more in regards to the airdrops, then you need to get onto the Telegram channels. They are also linked in the description. We have the free channel, of course, and we also have the premium channel, which I'll go into in a minute. I'll talk to you about the details for people who are new to the channel. So appreciate you guys all for jumping on. Don't forget to like this video, hit that notification bell, and subscribe to the channel. Subscribe and support the channel. Really appreciate that. Have we got audio? Looks like we've got audio. Let me know, anyone, if there's any problems. Hello, Ghost, Copper Raven, Carpeel, David, Ash, hello. Welcome aboard. Thanks for joining me for another Meme Monday. Now, like I say every week, Meme Mondays is open for everyone, but we have various airdrops that are available to certain people. And for free people, we have the premium subscription model for 7 days available to give away. Today I've got 2 to give away for 7 days. But for premium members, we usually have the Solana airdrop giveaways, which we'll get into in a minute. You need to be a premium member to participate in the airdrops, to try and negate anybody trying to game the system, which people try and do quite often on these live streams. So if you want to participate in the airdrops for actual Solana or various other airdrops, then you have to be on the premium membership. Now, like I said, the non-premium members will get a free 7-day subscription to the premium channel to find out whether it's suitable for you guys or not. And also, you'll be able to test the calls, test copy trading, get access to all the community and all the gurus who are available on our community. And there are a lot of gurus printing right now in this meme industry with the market the way it is. A lot of people printing. So that is fantastic to see. Right, look at that. Unbelievable. I want to say a big cheers and a big congrats to those who hung around for the bear market. 2+ years in the bear market. Now at the end of the stream, I'm going to crack this puppy open. A little Singaraja. Crack that open. And I'm going to say a cheers to you guys for sticking around during the bear market. We're grinding away for 2+ years, and I think the grind might be over since the election day last week. Things have absolutely been going ballistic. Bitcoin printing all-time highs literally every day. So that is insane. Solana now at $219 and not far from its own all-time high from 21 when, yeah, the last bull market. So crypto literally across the board is printing. So if you've been grinding away for 2+ years and sticking around, congratulations, because we're back. We're officially back, and I believe, personally, this is the real run, the real bull run. So hang on tight. Make sure you take profits when you can. Some people say that the worst mistake that you can make is taking profits too early. I don't know. It's hard to really judge, isn't it? You've got to take profits sometimes, and you've got to learn from the previous bull markets. You can't just keep making the same mistakes like I did last bull market. Didn't take enough profits. So won't be making that mistake this time around. So yeah, look forward to cracking that open at the end of the stream. And saying a big cheers to those who hung around to grind away. That was a tough couple of years, but I think the grinding is, well, a new kind of grind is just starting right now. So you need to really kind of buckle down and put your head down and continue the grind in a different way, if you ask me. Keep grinding away, but this is just icing on the cake now that we're going to be enjoying for the next probably 12 months or more, hopefully. Awesome stuff. Now, what have we got today? Meme Monday 31. I can't believe I've done 31 Meme Mondays. Trading meme tokens and take profits. Wouldn't that be nice if we could trade meme tokens and take some profits? Well, let's see if we can go through a couple of tools that might give you a leg up in regards to taking profits. So we're going to talk about some updates, some meme news. We're going to talk about the ScraperBot update for DJ meme calls along with the Google Sheet, the profit strategy Google Sheet created by the community, the premium community. Also going to look at the GMGN web interface, which, you know, I haven't been using it all that much, but I've been enjoying learning the process of the GMGN web interface, and it is got some nice little features about it that I think will surprise some of you if you're not familiar with it. And we're going to do usual airdrops. We're going to do a Beans airdrop, $100 Beans airdrop for Beans holders. So if you are a Beans holder, look at the link in the description. Send me your wallet address, because you will need to give me your wallet address to enter into the Beans airdrop. $100 Beans airdrop coming from my bag. So I'm reducing the dev bag once again, but you have to submit your wallet where you're holding your Beans token in order to participate, and I'll draw that at the end of the video. So jump into the link in the description to submit your Beans wallet. And also, obviously, we're doing the Solana airdrop throughout the stream with the spinning wheel, so that should be fun. Live and offline airdrops. G'day, Sam, Chris, hello, how you going, guys? Good of you to join us. Thank you so much. Who do we have on the free channel? Not much happening there. And premium channel, got a couple of flowers and a heart. We are live. We are definitely live. We are live, people. Let's move. So the premium channel, for those who are new, maybe joining for the first time on DJ Meme Calls, the premium channel includes a DJ wallet checker. Premium wallet checker is top of the range. There's not many, maybe only one other wallet checker that competes with us in regards to finding wallets that are potentially profitable for copy trading. And the DJ wallet checker is absolutely kicking butt. We've just been updating the connections to the nodes over the last couple of weeks. So hopefully things will be speeding up much better this week, starting this week, and be improving a great deal. But just as I say that, we're getting Solana congestion because of the current market situation. So just be mindful of that. But the DJ wallet checker absolutely kicks ass, and for the price that we provide, this checker is absolutely awesome. On top of the DJ wallet checker, we have CTO calls, community takeover, smart money calls, premium gambles. Now these are all filtered calls that we filter out in relation to certain market caps, certain wallets, whether a dev has sold all their holdings in regards to their token that they've created on Pump Fund. We also have Pump Fund signals, so anything from DexPaid, King of the Hill, migration and also live migration. There's a bunch of signals that we have on our premium channel, which is fantastic to get your hands on and manually trade right now. But soon things are about to change because our DMC, DJ Meme Calls Scraperbot version 2, the beta version, is about to be launched, where you will be able to call pretty much all of these, trade pretty much all of these signals and calls through a Scraperbot that is specifically built for our premium channel. So instead of trying to receive Telegram notifications and manually trade some of these tokens or calls, you can just set up a Scraperbot and automatically trade these tokens or these calls 24 hours a day. So that is the Scraperbot, very exciting tool that is coming this week, a new version, being able to scrape all of the calls on our channel. Also, with the DJ Meme Calls Premium, we have live streams and airdrops for those people who are premium members. So as you'll see during this live stream, we're doing airdrops for the premium members. If you are wanting to get hold of all of these tools and these calls, that's fantastic, but you also have the opportunity to participate in airdrops as well. So you'll get your money back, possibly, if you win. So that is the DGen Meme Calls Premium channel. Just a quick overview. If you are still quite new to the premium channel, you can go and do a video walkthrough with me on the premium channel. That is also linked in the description below. So make sure, if you're still fairly new, have a look at all the details of the DGen Premium channel, linked in the description below. I will go through pretty much all aspects. I'll need to update that probably in the next few weeks in order to cover all the updates and all the tools that we're releasing over the next few weeks. So as of now, that's still a pretty relevant walkthrough, but soon it will need updating. But you'll get a good overview of how things work in the premium channel. Now the pricing, like I mentioned earlier, it's fairly affordable in relation to other channels. What we provide is absolutely well worth it. You know, most other channels will be $100 plus, providing all these tools and all these features. We have 2 levels that you can apply. You can pay for $30 level, which is 2 options. You can pay for the Telegram channel for $30 a month, and that will get you all of the calls and signals so that you can trade those, and also get you the Scraperbot as well if you only wish to pay for the $30 feature, the Telegram channel. There is also the premium wallet checker option. If you're only interested in copy trading and just want the premium wallet checker, that is also an option for $30 a month. So you can go either way. If you just want to be copy trading, or if you just want to be on the Telegram channel and trading the calls, you can choose either one. But if you want both, you want to try and mix and match between copy trading and also trading the calls, now that we have a Scraperbot, you can go for the full package, which is $45 per month, which will include both of those channels, $30 channels. So for a discount from $60 down to $45, you get access to everything, which is an absolutely amazing deal in my opinion. So like I said, other channels with these kind of features and the community that we have of absolute legends is going to be $100 or more per month. And basically all we try and do is cover our asses when it comes to paying for what we need to provide these services, which is the connection to the APIs, the RPCs, the blockchain connections and that kind of thing. They all cost quite a lot of money. So we just try and cover our asses when it comes to paying for those features, and that's why our offer is a lot cheaper than most other channels. So very good good opportunity. If you have the opportunity, I wouldn't pass it up. If you are currently not a premium member and you do want to get access to that for 7 days, make sure you stick around on the live feed, stick around on DGen Meme Calls Premium free channel down below, linked down below, and put your hand up when I say to possibly win 7 days access to that premium channel. So stay tuned for that when that happens towards the end of the stream. Now there is a referral program. I haven't mentioned this much in the past or recently. Now There is a referral program in relation to our premium channel. You will find it in the DGen wallet checker. Now, when you sign up for the premium channel, you go through the DGen wallet checker and subscribe through that bot. There is an option to look at your referral link and start referring friends and family. Now, you'll get 10% commission fee for every person you refer, and also every time they renew. So you could honestly earn 10% per month on everybody you bring in to the channel in perpetual, as long as they're actually continue to be subscribed to the channel. But every time they renew, you'll continue to receive that 10% commission fee as well. So if you refer 10 people to the channel, then you'll be subscribed for free because they'll be paying for your subscription. So it's as easy as that. So don't forget, for those people who are interested in promoting the channel or interested in trying to reduce the cost so they can stay on board, then there's an option there to refer friends and family to get on board and promote DGen meme calls, the DGen wallet checker, any aspect of the premium channel, and get people on board to start earning those rewards. If you do happen to earn those rewards, make sure you get in touch with me and I'll send you those referral rewards every Monday. Make sure you create a wallet. So if you do not create a wallet, I cannot send you that money. So make sure you create a wallet by adding a wallet here that you want to receive your referral rewards on. So if you add a wallet and you do have referral rewards coming to you, I can automatically send you your referral rewards. So make sure you create that wallet and start referring, sending that referral link out to your friends and family. Bringing people on board would be absolutely fantastic. Now, the premium airdrops and giveaway, like I mentioned earlier, today we're doing a little bit different. We have one sol spin the wheel, so half sol for the live participants and half sol for the offline participants. So we're doing that throughout the live stream as per usual. We have 2 DMC premium access, 7 days each for 2 people. So again, if you're not yet on premium, jump onto the free channel, Telegram channel, linked it down below, and start getting ready to put your hand up to win that access to the premium channel. And like I mentioned, $100 in beans airdrops. So if you're a beans holder, make sure that you check out the link in the description. There's a link in the description to a Google form, and you'll need to go over and let me just chuck in your wallet address right here. Your wallet address as well as your Telegram username, and then hit enter, and I will draw that $100 beans airdrop at the end of the video. So make sure you don't miss out. If you are a beans holder, jump onto that, because that is nothing to be sneezed at. $100 beans, and that is literally another third of my holdings going to someone else, which is fantastic. Reduce the dev holdings and also hopefully bring a bit more interest in the beans token. So yeah, linked in the description below. Check it out. Now, I did a new grid trading video last week, testing the waters with grid trading on DeFi Solana bot. That's been a really interesting experience. The video, if not, I will link it in the description shortly, and I'll do it right now actually. Yeah, the link to that grid trading bot video will be in the description of the live stream, but it's very, very interesting. I'm going to continue my experimentations with grid trading. It's been a very interesting experience, and you'll see the results on that video if you are interested in that. Let me just add that in there. Okay, done. So yeah, it's very interesting to try and get the hang of grid trading and find that really sweet spot with different tokens. But I love the challenge, I love the hunt. I've had some really good success with grid trading over the last 7 days. Had a couple of not so good success, not so good stories coming out of it as well. But you know, that's all part of the journey, learning how to grid trade, which is very, very different for meme tokens. All right, first spin the wheel. Spin the wheel. Are we going to do offline or online? I think we'll do, I might as well do the online one. Let's do the online spin the wheel. Let's get over. Oh boy, we have 99 people currently on spin the wheel. And you know, some of the participants in the community have been absolutely pouring so much effort into the community and giving it all they have in regards to helping out the community. So some of these pieces of the pie are a little bit bigger than others, but it's well deserved and well earned. Some people just join up and just want the calls and don't really want to participate. That's fine. That's fine. That's also okay. But those who are really making a lot of effort and also daily grinding away get a bigger piece of the chance to win that Solana. And this is going to be half a sol for the live participants. So if you're live, make sure you stick up your hand right now. Stick up your hand, because if you're not participating and then you won't win the live sol. But if you're offline at the end of the stream and you win the sol, then I'll just DM you so we can get that sol sent over. So here's the first spin the wheel. I know that's what you're all here for. Half a Solana. There you go. Well deserved. Well deserved. Mr. Caps, you won it again. Congratulations. Congratulations. I know you're participating, so that is the live portion out of the way. All right, Premium Gamble's profit strategy. Now we have 2 new tools. So I'm calling these tools, you know, these are really what I think are pretty good tools. We have the scraper bot. Obviously, we've been using the scraper bot for the premium gambles over the last couple of weeks. And now we have a profit strategy Google Sheet, which is very directly in relation to the premium gambles. So we're collecting all the data from all the calls that are happening on the channel, putting them into this strategy sheet. And the community members who've been working on this have been doing a fantastic job creating all of this data. So you'll not only have the Telegram scraper bot, but you also have this profit strategy sheet where you can actually find out good strategies before you even start actually trading real dollars. So we shall have a quick look at that and see how that looks. Now, the Telegram scraper has been running for the last couple of weeks. It's been running off the DEX screener API as far as I know. And this week they're changing, or RAF is changing it to the gRPC connection, which will help, or not the scraper itself, but the calls that are coming through, which will help make the calls a lot quicker, a lot more responsive in relation to actually trading those calls. Because what's happening over the last couple of weeks using DEX screener, it's been a bit delayed in relation to making the calls. So hopefully the gRPC connection for the calls will make that a lot quicker, so we can get in and make calls at the right time, or make the trades at the right time, and then the trades and the data that are collected in the back end from the blockchain will hopefully match as best as possible. Now, the way the scraper works is we have our DGen meme calls, premium calls, and they are premium gambles, live migrations, pump fund pending migrations, King of the Hill, CTO, DEX paid, and smart money. Now, pretty much all of these will come through into the new scraper, and the scraper will listen to those calls that you select. You'll be able to select whichever channel calls that you want to utilize, and you'll be able to set your own actual filters for those calls, whether it's market cap, 5-minute buys, volume, etc., market cap low, market cap high, that kind of thing. you'll be able to filter all of those calls to how you feel fit. And then the scraper will send those calls that you filter over to the trading bot of your choice. So you'll have the choice of DeFi Solana bot, GMGN, TradeWiz, Trojan, Maestro, and I believe it's Odin bot. So you can send your calls over to any one of these bots, and you'll be able to send these calls over to multiple bots at any one time. So not only will you be able to choose DeFi Solana bot, but you're able to choose GMGN or TradeWiz or Trojan or any other bot at the same time and do multiple calls, whether you like features on one bot over another. So you'll be able to maybe test between two bots or try and take double the profit between two bots. It's up to you how you want to play it, but that is how the scraper works. And getting that gRPC connection right over the next, or should be this week, will make the calls much quicker, and hopefully we can get in at the right time. Now this is the Premium Gambles Profit Strategy Sheet, the latest version. I'm going to run through some strategies. I'm just going to do some random checks for strategies right now, so you can get an idea of how this Google Sheet works, and you'll be able to get an understanding if you're in Premium or not in Premium. You're interested in getting involved in Premium, you'll be able to see how things work, because this is only available for Premium members. Obviously, trading, auto trading, our Premium channel calls. So let's jump over into this strategy sheet and we'll show you how that works. So right now we have about 472 records or calls that have been recorded on this strategy sheet. These are calls that have come directly from the Premium Gambles calls channel. And now I know it's not a huge amount of data at the moment, but the work is being put in to add more data as we go. And it would be fantastic if we could have upwards of maybe 5,000 to 10,000 calls eventually, to be able to look at this data and be able to assess the data and say, okay, across this many thousands of calls, a good strategy is A or B or C, and various other strategies that we could devise from this strategy sheet. Now this looks complicated, and I'm 100% sure in the back end it is very, very complicated, but it's not too difficult once you figure out what you need to do, the entries that you need to make in order to find the right strategy. So over the left hand side here, I'm just going to try and zoom in a little bit. So starting from the left hand side at the top, this blue section here, we have the amount of SOL you want to put in per trade. So you can enter your strategy. I'm just going to put in 1 SOL for the time being. Currently the Solana price is around about 216, which is amazing. I love that. And SOL fees 0.01, I'm just going to leave that at 0.01 as a flat fee, which seems good to me. So that's all good. So all you need to do is look at the SOL price, change that to the right SOL price of the day, and how much you want to invest. Generally, I mean, if you're going to do test trades, you wouldn't invest this much, but I'm just wanting to find out what's going to work in terms of a strategy. And then when it comes to real trades, I'll probably do some tests at lower rates first and see how that goes. So moving along, we have across the top here, the take profit strategy here. So now we have normal SL, normal trailing stop loss, and DSB trailing stop loss. Now DSB has its own variation of trailing stop loss. Personally, I don't like utilizing it, but if we have a look at this strategy, maybe my mind will be changed after seeing the results. So I'm going to start off as normal strategy, and you can select it here. So I've got normal, trailing stop loss, and DeFi Solana stop loss. If you are utilizing this spreadsheet, there is an instruction sheet down here, how to use the spreadsheet. So if it's the first time you're using the spreadsheet, I highly recommend reading through this in full and getting up to speed on all of these details that are listed out here. Now, David, who's been making this spreadsheet along with Totti and Alex Labs. Done a fantastic job in getting this spreadsheet out to the community. It looks fantastic, and I'm looking forward to finding the right strategy for when the new scraper bot comes out in just a matter of days. Really, just a matter of days. There's version 2 probably be a beta version first, and then we can go from there. Congrats, Mr. Caps, you've won again. Is the stream blurry? Maybe I've got too many streams happening. Maybe the internet's not so good. Oh yeah, a bit blurry, isn't it? I wonder. Well, let me just have a look. Let me just try and fix that up, eh? How's that looking? I don't know if I can fix that. Excellent connection, okay. Let me know if that improves things. Is that better? Hopefully that's better. It says it's better anyway. Yeah, I don't know, it's weird. It is a bit blurry, I can see that, yeah. Strange. there's the streams. Yeah, I don't know. It's a bit weird. Maybe I've got a bit too many streams because I'm streaming to X as well, so. Okay, well, I'll just carry on and hopefully it'll get better and maybe I just try and do this. So hopefully that'll help. Okay, we're pressing on. So we want to have a look at some strategies with this strategy sheet. We're going through the stop loss. We're going to do normal stop loss for now, and then we're going to try and find a good strategy that looks good for normal stop loss. For those on the premium side of things, you'll be able to see the live stream on the Telegram channel anyway, and if it's that bad, I will re-upload to YouTube the actual good version. So don't stress, we'll get it sorted. So we're going to use the normal stop loss for this particular occasion, which is here. It's the -40, 100, take 100%. So when we hit -40, we're taking 100%. And then we've got 4 take profit levels across here as well that we can set. I always start with conservative stuff. Let's go with 50, 100 first to see how that looks with a normal stop loss. And then as we drop down here, we've got further filters that can filter out all the data that we've got in relation to the calls that we've recorded from the community here. We can filter out start and end dates. We can filter out time of the day, and we can filter out or filter in day of the week. We can also start filtering low and high market caps, as well as other areas to filter out in relation to 5-minute volume, 5-minute buys and sells. We can highlight different maximum increase percentages. So if we want to highlight 250% or more, we can do that as well. So all of these added filters make for excellent, filtering for finding great calls in the data. And like I said, we only have 472 trades in the data at the moment, but hopefully in the very near future that will be increasing to a number of thousands, so we can start getting a bit more data populated and getting a bit more results over more data and more time. So that'll be fantastic. And we have the results here on the right hand side in this little pink section. So this will tell you the results, what you put into here of your filters, your take profit, your stop loss, whatever filters you have. All the results will coming into here and telling you what profit or loss you'll be making. And then we have the percentage increase, the amount of calls that were below 30% increase, above 30, above 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, etc. So depending on the kind of filters that you add. Now we also have ranges and max for all data across the 472 records. So we have things like the highest market cap, 5-minute percentage max, the age max, liquidity, 5-minute volume, and buy and sell across all the data there, which is fantastic. So don't fade this data sheet, because when the new when the new sheet comes, when the new connections come through to the calls, hopefully this data will be a lot closer to the actual calls and the trades that we make. So that would be fantastic. Now we have set 50% level for increase, and we're taking 100% profit, and we've got a 40% stop loss. So let's just zoom out a little bit and we'll see. We're trading over 19 days, all 472 trades, 237 wins, 235 losses, 50% win rate, a 2% ROI, and then 11 consecutive wins and 11 consecutive losses across that period as well. And you can see it here, the highlighted wins and losses, the profit that you're making on that take profit level, on top of your initial SOL investment, which is fantastic. And we have the take profit 2, 3, and 4 levels as well, the stop loss there. Now I just want to show you the difference a trailing stop loss makes as well. If you're interested in setting a trailing stop loss, it could be very beneficial if it works the way it is supposed to work, that is for sure. Now this is a normal stop loss, minus 40%. We're getting this kind of win rate and this kind of ROI, positive at least. We're making 10 Solana over 19 days, which is fine. It's fantastic for 472 trades. But if we start using trailing stop loss, let's have a look at trailing stop loss. Now we're making an ROI of 17% and a win rate of 60% and 80 Solana over 19 days or 472 trades. So that is a huge improvement. Now it's a normal trailing stop loss, but unfortunately we don't really have a Telegram bot that uses normal trailing stop loss right now. Hopefully in the near future we'll have that. So let's have a look at what DeFi Solana bot stop loss will do. Now if you set the DeFi Solana bot stop loss, it'll be minus 4,000. So let's have a look at that. Oh no, 40.43. Okay, so that's a slight difference. So now we've got 40.43 stop loss for DeFi Solana bot, and now the ROI is 11%. So it's a little bit less than the normal trailing stop loss, because the DeFi Solana bot stop loss, trailing stop loss, is absolutely complicated. And let's see if we can make that 100%. So if we make that 40.100, so 40% stop loss, 100% trailing stop loss, we're going to get a 16% ROI and 76 Solana over 19 days with a 65% win rate. Now, a trailing stop loss, or even the DeFi Solana bot trailing stop loss, in this situation would be a lot better than just a normal stop loss. As you can see, normal stop loss, only 2% ROI. Very tricky to find winning trades or a high ROI in relation to just using a normal stop loss, because there's such volatility in these meme tokens. It's almost good to use no stop loss, but a trailing stop loss in regards to DeFi Solana bot of 100%, maybe, could be. So let's try DeFi Solana bot stop loss, trailing stop loss at a much higher rate, and nothing is changing there. So 16%, not much change in there anyway. So you could do 100%, still get fairly similar results. So that is just an example of how 40% TP1. Yeah, I've done 40%. Let's have a look at 40%. And we'll go for DeFi Solana bot's trailing stop loss. So not too bad, not too bad. Let's do that one. Normal stop loss. Yeah, just a little bit better. If we experiment with the other stop losses, it doesn't really look too great, but it's definitely that 40% is kind of that sweet spot, that 40% there. Yeah. So you can experiment. My thoughts is just try and find a strategy that works for a normal stop loss. One of the most profitable strategies anyway if you can find one. Now, if you want to find a normal strategy with a normal stop loss, you can actually start stuffing around with these filters below here. So let's have a look at something specific, like say a TP1 of 100%, taking 100%, is 1.19 ROI across all of the trades. But now, if we decide to take Tuesday, for example, day of the week, suddenly Tuesday, we're trading over 2 days, 50 trades in those 2 days with 22 wins and 28 losses. But because of the amount of wins we're having, it's working out really well. We're only using minus 40% when it hits the stop loss, and we're gaining 100% on take profit 1. So we're actually making quite a decent ROI over 2 days. That's 2 Tuesdays. Now, of course, this data is only 2 Tuesdays, so we're only getting 50 trades. It would be good once we have a lot more data to be able to utilize the data, a lot more data, and getting some more standard results, probably over 500, 1,000, 1,500 trades. If we were to select a specific day, then we might get data that might be a bit more reflective of, it's only 50 trades. So you got to kind of take the data not overly seriously, because there's not enough data there yet. So we will continue to grow the spreadsheet, or David and Totti and Alex, we're doing a fantastic job. I love spreadsheets. I love making these spreadsheets myself. This one is next level though. This is fantastic work. Now, if you get this is a Tuesday, right? What about a Wednesday? So suddenly it's negative ROI. So you can actually, this is some of the things you need to do, is explore the data and find out what day really works. And then here's a normal stop loss, 100%. What happens if we do DeFi Solana bot trailing stop loss? So it almost doubles, almost 30% ROI, 15 Solana over 2 days. So it's a 15 Solana profit over 2 days. Now, if you were just being conservative, 0.1 over 2 days, you've earned 1 Solana, or 1.1 Solana. So probably wouldn't do that much though, probably 0.2 or 0.25 at least, if you're confident. So it seems, let's have a look at the smaller, so 23%. So it seems like that 4,100 is kind of the sweet spot, but therefore, wait, you got 4,900. So you don't have a lot of trades getting over that mark, but you do have some trades getting over 900. So you will have some wins there. Anyway, I'm going to keep going with this so I can record it to upload to YouTube and to the Telegram channel. So I'm going to keep going, and I'll upload this to Telegram as well as YouTube, so you guys can catch up on it. And I apologize for that. I'm going to try and figure out what's going on with that. So don't know what the deal is. So that is very interesting in the way that we can figure out certain strategies with the data that we've collected from the premium gambles side of things. Again, like I said, this is only available for the premium channel. The Scraper bot will be able to use Scraper bot to find strategies, or to trade the strategies that you find on this premium channel, on these premium gambles, as well as other channels in the future. So I love how you can choose certain days and find out what days work best in regards to trading, and the certain filters. Now you can also filter out low and high volumes, such as those, and the 5-minute buys. So things get really, really interesting when you start fiddling around with these strategies here, and you start reducing down the calls in order to hope to filter out the bad calls rather than the good calls. So that is the up to speed of the premium gambles. I apologize for the technical issues for the stream. It's kind of ruined my momentum with talking about this spreadsheet, but I will upload the combined video to Telegram as well as YouTube, so you guys can watch the full thing on that. I'm gonna have to skip the GMGN one for now. I might make that next week's stream and really focus on GMGN and do some live trading on next week's stream with GMGN, so we can really do some interesting stuff with that. I've kind of run out of time because of those technical issues, and I don't want to get halfway through and it kind of cuts out on me again. I need to find out what's going on. So I apologize for that. We're going to jump over here. So again, the profit strategy, the Google Sheet is available for premium members once you're utilizing the ScraperBot. So you'll be able to soon put those filters into ScraperBot to get to match the strategies that you select through here on the spreadsheet. Again, all this data is coming from our calls. It's all created from the blockchain. We'll pull it from the blockchain. The times of the calls that come through on the channel are all matched here with this data. Hopefully we'll have more data soon, and that ScraperBot will be starting to scrape across all of our channels as well pretty soon. Now again, the Beans airdrop, don't forget, if you guys haven't put your email address, if you're holding Beans, put your email address in here. Now I've got 7 responses, so I just need to chuck those guys in there. Well, I'm afraid you can only do 1 entry, Mr. Caps. So let's just leave it at that. So we have 6 people vying for the Beans airdrop. I think we're ready to do that draw. I will do that draw in a minute. This is the GMGN web interface side of things. I'm going to do this. I'm going to push this back to next week, so I apologize for that. That didn't work very well with the trading, with the technical issues, but I will talk about this next week. I'm going to make this a focus for next week, so that we can really spend some time on it. So let's do another spin the wheel for you guys. This is for the offline winner. So we've done the online winner, which is Mr. Caps. You won that half sol. I'll send you that as soon as we're done here on the live stream. So I wonder if that's coming through. Still blurry. Still blurry. You're gonna have to test that. So this is for offline 0.5 Solana. Let's get this done. Mr. Rob. I think that might be the second time you won, Mr. Rob. Congratulations, Rob. Half Solana for you. Well deserved, well earned. And that ends the offline Solana. Congratulations, guys. Now we have the Beans airdrop, $100 Beans airdrop. I'm going to do for you guys 6 people to win $100 worth of Beans. Who's it going to be? Spin that wheel. Alex Labs, $100 airdrop for you, Mr. Alex Labs. Congratulations. Beans, $100 worth of Beans coming your way after the stream. Well deserved, well earned. G'day, Mark. Thanks for joining us. I apologize. This is not. This is a bit random because my stream decided to die halfway through the stream. So I think we're having trouble with the internet today. So congratulations, Alex Labs. You are the winner. Now, if there's anyone who's interested in getting access to the premium channel, let me know in the DMC free channel. I will go through it after the stream. Put your hand up right now in the free channel if you want to get access to the premium channel for 7 days to find out whether it's working for you, the calls, the DGM wallet checker, whether you like the community, up to you. I'll give you 7 days for free where you can access that and do what you need to do to find out whether it works for you. So put your hand up in the free channel right now, or probably best in the free channel because YouTube has kind of screwed me with that technical issue. So see how we go. Anyway, I'm going to make this available, the full stream. I'll make this available on YouTube as one video because that stream didn't quite work. So I apologize for that. And I'm also going to make this available on Telegram as per usual through the DGM Meme Calls Premium channel. Make sure you subscribe, guys. Subscribe to the channel YouTube here. Like this video. Unfortunately, it didn't work out so well today. But I appreciate you guys sticking around. Yep, put your hand up for anybody who wants to join the premium channel. I'll get to you after the live stream has ended. Apologies for that, technical difficulties, but next week we'll go into doing the GMGN web interface trading. I'll spend a full video on that, just doing some live trading and see how we go, see if we can get some results. So next week we'll focus on that and I'll do some more testing and you guys can see how that works. Anyway, DGNs, Meme Maniacs, thanks for joining me. Apologize again for the technical issues. The full video will be up on YouTube very, very soon, as well as Telegram. So make sure you check that out. And apologies for that. Anyway, it's time to break open the beer. Because it's been a hard grind for the last 2 years. And I can tell you now, I'm pretty excited about the next 12 months. Pretty excited. Solana is now 218 Bitcoin, 82.5. See if I can get this puppy. It's time for a beer and it's time for another profitable week. I'm going to sort out those technical issues, find out what happened, and we'll have a hopefully seamless live stream next week. All right, DGens, cheers. Here comes the bull market. Congrats if you've been grinding away for the last 2 years through the bear market. Let's get it. Talk to you soon.